This 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40 CDL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 40 feet 6 inches in length and features a PEBBLE interior, sleep 6, microwave, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, slide-out, water heater, oven, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, couples coach, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, loft, mid-bunk, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.